Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, August 14th. Oops, just moved my tripod. Hope everybody is doing great. Everything is fine here. You may have noticed I had to change the music on my intro. I don't love that music I picked, but the one I've been using for a while all of a sudden was not royalty free. So I had to get rid of that. So, eventually I'll find something better, but that's just it for now. So I have a small haul. I have the winner of the Strawberry mini album. I have some happy mail. And then at the end, I will show you the mini album for this week's giveaway. Okay, so first of all, let's get to the winner of my strawberry recipe book. Anybody who left the word, I think it was strawberry, in the comment was entered into the drawing, and I used the YouTube random comment picker. And the winner is Jen Hoff. Congratulations, Jen, a fellow Jennifer. Just send me your mailing information at the email address in the description box, and I'll get this out to you. I got last week's out to Canada, so that was my first international winner of the mini album, so hopefully she gets that soon. But congratulations, Jen, and thank you everybody else who entered, and of course stay tuned to the end to see which one I'm giving away this week. Okay, so on to the happy mail. Speaking of mini albums, I got a thank you card from my friend Debbie, who won the Beach Ball mini album, and I won't open it because it's a personal note, but this is the cover of it. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love it. It's all sewing themed. She's got some sewing ephemera. Thank you so much. This aqua colored sewing machine. It's paper pieced so beautifully. I love this, Debbie. It's gorgeous. I'm going to put this on display in my craft room. So thank you for that. And then my friend Jessica from Hamidi Plans. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, hopefully. She's such a sweetie. We've messaged back and forth over the years, and she found something for me at TJ Maxx and asked if she could send it to me. So thank you so much, Jessica. I will put her information down below. I don't think she makes videos anymore, but maybe you will, Jessica. So she found the Strawberry Patch Pancake House. Oh, and there's a card in here too. Coloring book. And she said it was on clearance at TJ Maxx. I am so excited for this. You guys know that, well, I don't know. If you've been watching my channel, you know I've read all of these Dream Harbor books, and there is a coordinating coloring book to go with it. So, oh, this is so cute. I love it. Thank you. Thank you, Jessica. And let's take a look at the card. Strawberry cream. That's me. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love all the plants. So, so pretty. Let me just take a peek inside. Oh, what a sweetie. Thank you so much, Jessica. I so appreciate this. And you had a really pretty envelope it came in. And this red tissue paper is absolutely beautiful. So thank you, guys. I love to share things. I know you guys do too. So thanks for being part of my channel, everybody. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's move on to the haul. First I went to Aldi today. Today's Thursday. They always get new stuff on Wednesdays. I had got one of these before. I won't be able to get this in the frame, but it's a big bin, and it was $3.99. It comes in different colors. This is like a sagey green, and it's called the Easy Home Flexible Basket. And it kind of fits like 12 by 12 collection kits in it. They have to fold just a tad. But I do like to keep these in my craft room for, collection kits. So I picked up another one of those. And I went to Hobby Lobby. I went twice this week. First, I went to go shopping because Christmas is 50% off now. And then I also went to pick up, I got my daughter's diploma framed, and it's beautiful. They do such a nice job framing there. If you ever need any framing done, I highly recommend them. But okay, let's move on to the stuff I got. Okay, so this is new this year, this little like grandpa gingerbread ornament. It was $7.99, and this was it wasn't in the like the ornament section, it was in the gingerbread decor section, in case you're looking for it. So half of that was $4. So look how cute, and I love these like little Christmas cakes. So he's nice and chunky, love him. And then I got his wife. So she's mixing up a bowl of some kind of batter. She's got a candy cane in her hair, and her hair is like whipped cream. These are just so cute, and they're clay. nice and chunky. I love all of their like gingerbread kind of ornaments. I had to stop myself at these two. I have so much Christmas stuff. I donate stuff every year. I don't need anything more, but these I could not resist. So I'm just going to pretend it's me and my husband. So that's the decor. I got some craft things. They have some clearance going on. Oh, got glitter all over me. So in the jewelry section, I found these Hello Kitty charms. Tuxedo Sam is like my favorite guy. So I wanted to get these in their silver metal. They were originally $8 and these are never on sale. So it's great to get them for $2. And there's the little cat, Choco Cat, I think. And there's a cinnamon roll and Hello Kitty. So yeah, cute little ones. I wish I had Pusheen charms. In the Christmas crafting section, I got these Christmas trees. I don't remember if they've had these before. $4.49, so half of that is what, $2.50? No, $2.25. So these are really nice chunky Christmas tree cabochons. And it says, well, let's open them up. Let's open them. Might as well, right? I don't know. Do you guys remember these? I don't think I have them. So they're nicely decorated, good quality. They have little red bows on top. You have glitter all over me. Little ornaments, nice chunky size. So yeah, I think that was a good deal. And how many are in here? Let's see. Well, that's a measurement. Oh, 30 pieces, 13.8 by 10.2 millimeters. All right, so I got those. And again, I think I have these, but I don't know if I got them from Hobby Lobby. They're these cute little gingerbread guys. Let's open these up too. Also $4.49 for, this is only 12, but these are big. Sorry, didn't need to see me struggling. So that's what those look like. And they have like white edging on them, but it doesn't go all the way down, so it looks like a frosted cookie, and that little face is just so cute, right? So I got those, and then I got these gingerbread too. I think these are new. Acrylic shapes, yeah, they're definitely new. And these are adorable. This is their new like paper crafting line for holiday stuff. So these were $4.99, but again, half price, and they come with 20. So I like those a lot. Those are super cute. Anything gingerbread I like normally. I got these stickers because I just thought they were so cute. And look, there are different colors of Santa. So I think that is pretty new for Hobby Lobby, and I love that. So this was $2.49, again, half off. Oh, and it's got 2 sheets too. So look at Santa on the candy cane ice skates. And his face is just so cute and sweet, right? And there are peppermint candies and snowflakes and other candies, candy canes. There's some pink, some red. So I really like these. I think these are very, very cute. And then I got these. I had the paper pad to match this from last year. I think it was a 6x6 paper pad. So it's good that they have something to go with it this year. 23 pieces for $2.49, and so that's $1.25. Can't beat that for these. Are they chipboard or foam? Let's see. It looks like, yeah, I think they're foam. So be careful taking these off if you don't want to get a bend on them. I usually use like a spatula type thing. I have this old tool. I don't even know where it's from, but it's got this like thin spatula on the bottom of it. It used to have like a sticky thing on the top that doesn't work anymore, but I use this spatula all the time to get like stickers off that I don't want to bend, or alphas, even price tags. Yeah, so I don't know where that came from, but I love it. I hope I never lose it. All right, so yeah, that is it for my haul this week. I know it was super short. I do have an order from scrapbook.com coming in, so I will share that next week. Let me show you the mini album that I'm going to be giving away now. So this one I recently created for KS Craft. It's a Boo mini album, and I thought since Halloween is coming up, it's kind of the next crafty holiday, so I thought I would give this away. So it's really cute. You open it up, each letter is a page. Well, first let me show you, I tied some trim on the edges, or on the binder rings. I use white binder rings. This is an earring that I stuck on there as a, oh, I forgot. I was gonna like secure this. Oh no, I did. I glued this on instead. I don't know if you remember when I first showed this, it kept falling off because I just poked it through, but I just glued it on now, so it won't come off unless you pull it off. So anyway, that's the B page. There are some ghost bows that I also created for KS Craft. You could take those off and use them. And then here are some paper clips, also KS Craft. Cute, right? And then the last page has some embellishments that I made. They're on some aqua foam, so each one is a little bit different. And then these are Halloween tags. You could take those off and use them too. They're on double-sided tape. And that's the back. So I've got a little thing of glue on there. I'll take that off. I'll probably put my logo there on the back so you know who made it. So if you would like to be entered to win this mini album, just be 18 or over, please be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, and you can live anywhere in the world. It's easy enough to send this. This is very small, so this one I could probably send in a padded envelope. So if you would like to win this, write the comment Halloween, or write that in your comments so I'll know you want to be entered. If you don't want it, no problem. I'd love to hear from you anyway. Just leave the word Halloween out of your comment and I won't count you in the drawing. All right, so I will draw a winner for this next week's haul. Again, Jen, congratulations, Jen Hoff. She won the strawberry recipe book, and don't forget to send me your address and I will send that off on Monday. No, probably Tuesday, because I am going to be at my dad's this weekend, and then Long Island. So I will be back next week. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you to Jessica and Debbie for my beautiful happy mail. You guys are the best. I just love hearing from you, and just you guys are the sweetest. I'm going to be creating a tutorial for the Scrap Diva Designs picnic basket next week as well. My friend Susie asked me to make a tutorial, and I'm happy to do that. So that'll be my next Scrap Diva Designs video. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, wonderful day. Please let me know what you're doing this weekend too. I always love to hear. And I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.